All my fans, I greet everybody. I greet everybody. The matter may be I want talk today now. They say I want to advertise my products. Human hair. I get original percent human hair. No be fake. Mona order, mona contact me. Mona order 100% human hair. If na George or any type of George, quality ones, I have it. Contact me. Depend on the grade, the amount, everything is quite different. Contact me. Is it suit material? Different type of material is available. Contact me. Hey, you people should contact me, all my fans. I know you have started already, I know. So I love you people for that, for patronizing your sister. I thank every one of you. Anything you want, order from me. Go to my Facebook page if you are my friend. You can message me, inbox me. My number is there. Contact me. Inbox me for your original percent human hair. Original. I don't say fake. I don't deal with anything fake. If I give you fake, next time you are not coming to me. For that reason, I don't do with fake. I don't dey deal with fake. More than not fear. For those may never still really know me, except those may don't still do business with me. They understand. Say yes. Wetin I dey talk say na truth. If you are my friend on my Facebook, Nancy Pelosi Nancy Talk Show, I'm the one. That is what I'm doing there, not any other thing. Nancy Talk Show. You can like my page, follow me on my group. I advertise my business, my product, anything that I'm doing, I am doing it there. So you can contact me, message me, inbox me, nothing. I'm with you people. Mola message me, Mola subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nancy Talk Show. Mola subscribe. Mola love vex for now. If una even search me for YouTube, so na wan subscribe safe now for now. Una no quick see me because YouTube give me some months before e go dey available. Based on say I don first get my YouTube channel, but now I can't change the name. Na wetin affect me for there now. But through my Facebook, I even share it on my wall. You can subscribe to it. It's very easy. Just subscribe so that any updates, any available things that I'm doing there, the update will be, they will be notifying you people. You will be seeing the updates of everything, the way I'm doing it. Subscribe. Order your hair. My phone number is on my page, on my wall. You will see it there. It's there already. All my fans. So I love una. Thank you very well. Una may don dey patronize me. May they call me, they take order. Both those may never still take order. I thank everybody. I know so not buy today, tomorrow go still buy. Money fit not dey with you today, tomorrow money go dey with you. So I pray may God bless everybody, including me. May still dey do abundantly. May God enrich our pockets. Now what I say, may I still tell all my fans. Both those may get interest now. Both those may never still get interest. I know say if time come, now go still get interest. I really thank every one of una. You may more na other una, you may 100% you may. It gets na different type of you may they see, but many people don't understand. But some people go to say you may na you may no, you may not be you may, not be all you may be you may. Not because I they sell and I make me they say you may na you may. No. There is a lot of difference between you may, but we normally call it human hair. It's not all human hair that is human hair. You understand? So you may there I see they talk, and even for my live video for Facebook, for my group, I talk and for there. Human hair day, may they call you my Sunday. If you put on for water, may you wash am. As they wash you may say okay, may I wash am. You may go tango, you know let you come. What you make you put on for water, you go regret am. Why you go dey fix you dey rub cream, the human oil, everything. You want put wash am now, may all those dirty still come out. You might not let you use, it not let you wash, it not let you comb. You waste the money, everything make you take buy am, and you call am human. That will not be human, my sister. Sunday, if you even let you still come, if you come out, ground go full. ground go just full, everywhere go full. They don't say you may not dey comot. For instance, let me be sincere to you people. If you comb your normal hair, it go comot. And this you may, you know, say na for people head they cut am, come take do am make person dey fix am. So e go comot, but e get normal comot, remove. I say comot, sorry for that. If you want remove, you get as hair go still take remove normally, you understand. But this one go just dey pull based on say they don too put missy artificial, don full am, everything e don full am, you understand. So big difference e dey for that one. This one wey I dey talk, if you fix am, you yourself go know. If you fix am, you go know say yes, na you may you fix. Like me, e don take me a day to this business, but I just decide may I just advertise am, may I just dey do my business, my feed come out, you understand. Na wetin I dey into. Many people dey buy from me right from time. They are even using it for business. They will buy, they will still sell it for their customers, you understand. So my human is dey good. So if I dey talk am boldly because I trust wetin I dey say. Not be say 419 or fake, or I wan just show myself for here. No, not be that type. My human not be fake. If you buy human for my hand, I dey talk this word steady. Say na my hand you buy human. For those may really know me, return and give me. I go give that company may I buy am direct. The company direct, they will collect am from my hand. I no dey deal with fake. I no dey sell fake human hair. If na judge you want to, as your money reach, oh my sister, as your power reach, contact me. Na grade by grade. If you see the one may you like or the one may your money reach, you buy. Suit material to so different all this stuff wey we dey wear, so different things depend on you. E dey na your choice. Now you go decide for yourself. So far may you get your money to take do wetin dey your mind, you understand. Order and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nancy Talk Show, through my Facebook. I share it on my Facebook. Through there you can subscribe for now, but if you are searching for me right now on YouTube, you cannot see me until I think 3 months. They told me something like that. So subscribe, follow my page. My number is on my Facebook page. Is there. I share it. Even the live video that I'm doing or the post I post there, I even put my phone number there. Just use it to call me direct. From there I can give you my WhatsApp call, because the reason I did not put my WhatsApp call, if I put it there, a lot of people will start messaging me, calling me for unnecessary things. You know the way people is. So I don't need something like that. That is why I put my direct number. Just call me if you want. If you need it, I give you my WhatsApp number. Then we can discuss whatever you want, whatever things you want there, you understand. So my number is there. That contact me direct. Go to my Facebook page, my group, my wall, everything is there. Contact me if you need original presenting my hair. I love all my fans. If I don't love now, wait I give my love what they need again. What contact me what here do you may wear more? Me not you what? Okpa the market go there, but you get anywhere where YouTube, where Facebook. Ni make them make na be ni ma be kakabo. Na only wa be la jam, we have YouTube, na be Facebook, ni wa be advertise see se feed me no. Ni wa patronizing me not to wa de wo bo wa mu original here o ga fake e to wa mugunre were gbe wa gun wa mu wa no ba mo re Facebook me wa like Facebook me Nancy Pelosi or Pelosi Nancy or Nancy Talk Show me no wa contact me. The number me river. Wa contact me what me wa gwalo. E here me fake. If we tell self wa na be yan wa contact yan through Facebook ni atam wa otin him no me fake. E here me we me normal gba me ni eti we mo bo me yo. Wa contact me 100% you me here. 100% you me when I do pa wa ye to bo wa order what to bo here order except you man even go go we here. E man go me den yan if we so better we sister wa mo la be YouTube or Facebook I we dey no e contact ni bu we are man the bu we are contact we yan all those kind of thing. wa do ya we na so wa do wa gi wan mu wa iye fake ihe me dagbo to no wa de wa gbe ya mo tango wa se ti sale to o eto wa salo to wa von ihe gbe to ni iwe gbe transaction e business ni iwe gbe ni ya wo ya advertise product me ni you feed me ni e gi gwa wa wo na ni la dia ni anwe ko be ni wa be ya so na e mani ka be oda obo me ya fefefe ke mani ka be eme o maybe mani be na o na ihe be we ogele e mata na mi no ogele ihe ogele ma you know ma no e be contact me then ni do your opportunity na ni ya pon wa ya fefefe ke no contact me o ke no me ye be contact ke no ye be de ma understand ni do ye a platform na ni wa ya pon wa ya fefefe wa wese be gbe me wa wese se nu wa e o se nu wa me ye o se wa wese o wa wese love you fans, I love you all. You get a love wa e ma love wa dem lige if I don't love una wetin I get I love all my fans. Wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel, wanna dey see more updates, wa me more updates, wa like a page me, wa follow me no you me o you know what dey agwalo watamame wanna tell me wetin two wanna want, wanna tell me wanna down na you my 100% you my wanna subscribe to my YouTube channel, wanna follow me for my page, my Facebook, everything. Many people may know me, they know say yes, they say this woman you want to advertise the product finish. Yes, so myself they do it for you. I also feel they do it for this YouTube and Facebook. I'm okay with it. Wow, order, contact me. My number is there. Go and contact me. Contact me, oh, your lovely sister, your lovely daughter. Wa contact me. Wa contact me. Wa contact me. We have to say you man where you man no. You man many me so ya ta mo po ni me ke me o. Ni me igbale mo ye ko pe na iwe dogo gbon bezon. Iwa like ni wa be ade. All those kind of thing. Wa de. Emi no ma ade. Wa de. Emi no ma o higbe. Wa de. Wa ga do wa regret. Wa de. Wa ga do wa is lo egbe wo wa. Wa regret me wa good you man any. You may, on I way you may, not by way you may, more God, the you may, you may hear me, the mother may be more you want here, you may, no one must say, or tag bona, or he may, me what him be watana, or he may what ma, we are the way you may with it, try me what the Mona try Mona contacts me. I love all my fans. What they contact me, one love, I love you. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love una. Oh, I love all my fans. So, Mona buy you my. Mona contact me. Mona buy una George. Suit material, different type of material. Anything Mona wants. Mona contact me live and direct. Contact me anywhere you dey, any direction, contact me. Saluba mo tiangbo wa de ba wa ya fefe no patronize me. No jemere fefe all of na me don patronize me. God go bless una for me oh. Those may never still patronize me. May see they even take their time self take watch listen to me. God go bless all of una. I know say one day una go still take una order. God bless you all. I love you all. If I don't love you, I gain nothing. I love all my fans. I love you. I cherish you. I appreciate you. Thanks. I love you.